Hi everyone, welcome back to Morning Blush. I'm your name, a professional makeup artist. And today we're diving into something almost every skincare lover has worried about. Recognizing if your skin is having an allergic reaction to your products. Have you ever tried a new cream or serum only to find your face feeling itchy, red, or just plain uncomfortable? If that sounds familiar, this video is definitely for you. Don't worry, we're going to break it all down, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to listen to your skin and what to do if it sends out an SOS first. Let's quickly understand what a cosmetic allergy actually is. When you apply a skincare product, your skin absorbs its ingredients. Normally, these ingredients are there to help to hydrate, smooth, and protect. But sometimes, your immune system might mistake one of those ingredients as harmful and launch a defense. That's what we call an allergic response. And here as a crucial point, it doesn't matter if the product is super expensive or a budget-friendly find. Even luxury skincare can cause a reaction if it contains something your unique skin doesn't tolerate. There are generally two main types of reactions. The first is called irritation, and this usually happens almost immediately. Your skin might feel a burning sensation, tightness, or itchiness right after you apply the product. The second is a true allergic reaction, which can be a bit sneakier. This can take several hours or even a couple of days to appear. You might not notice anything at first, and then suddenly you see redness, swelling, or tiny bumps. This can sometimes happen because your skin barrier is already weakened, maybe from overexfoliating or using too many potent active ingredients at once. So, how can you be sure your skin is reacting to a product? Let's look at the 5 most common signs. Sign number 1: redness and warmth. If your skin starts turning red, especially around your cheeks, chin, or near your eyes, and it feels a little warm or tingly to the touch, that's your skin's first cry for help. It's saying, hey, something isn't right here. If this happens, stop using the product immediately. You can use a clean, damp cloth to gently cool your skin, but avoid putting ice directly on it, as that can be too harsh. Sign number 2: itching or a burning sensation. If your skin feels uncomfortably itchy, prickly, or like it's burning after you've applied something, that's a major red flag. This often happens with products that contain high amounts of alcohol, fragrance, or certain essential oils. Even though they smell amazing, fragrances are actually one of the top causes of cosmetic allergies. Always try to look for fragrance-free and alcohol-free on the label, especially if you know your skin is on the sensitive side. Sign number 3: swelling or puffiness. If you notice your under-eyes cheeks or even your lips start to look a little swollen after using a new product, that's a clear allergic response. Your immune system is sending extra blood flow to the area to fight what it thinks is a threat. If you experience this, rinse your face immediately with cool water and try your best to avoid touching or rubbing the swollen area. Sign number 4: tiny red bumps, or a rash. This one can be tricky because many people mistake these allergic bumps for acne. The key difference is the timing. Acne takes time to form, but allergic bumps tend to appear suddenly, often within a few hours of using a new product. If you have unchanged your diet or anything else in your life and these little bumps pop up right after trying something new, it's very likely an allergic reaction. And finally, sign number 5, peeling or developing dry patches. Sometimes, after an initial irritation, your skin might start to peel or flake. This is your body's way of protecting itself by shedding the top layer that got damaged. When that happens, it's important to avoid any kind of exfoliating or using harsh acids. Instead, switch to barrier-repairing creams that contain ingredients like ceramides, panthenol, or centella. Okay, so what should you do if you notice any of these signs? First and foremost, don't panic. We can fix this step by step. Step 1 is to stop using all new products. Immediately remove anything new that you've added to your routine in the last week or so. This includes any new serums, toners, or creams. It's time to go back to the absolute basics, a gentle cleanser and a simple, soothing moisturizer. Step 2. Simplify and soothe. Stick to a minimal routine. Use lukewarm water only, as hot water can make the irritation worse. Look for products with calming anti-inflammatory ingredients. Think aloe vera centella asiatica, also known as Halma chamomile, panthenol, or madecassoside. These ingredients are fantastic for reducing redness and helping your skin find its balance again. Step 3. Take a break from makeup. I know it's so tempting to cover up redness with foundation or concealer, but please give your skin a rest. Let it breathe. Applying makeup on already irritated skin can trap irritants and worsen the inflammation. If you absolutely must go out, maybe opt for a tinted moisturizer that has soothing ingredients built in. Step 4 is to focus on barrier repair. After an allergic reaction, your skin barrier, that protective outer layer, becomes weak. To help rebuild it, focus on products rich in ceramides, fatty acids, and cholesterol. Think of your skin barrier like a brick wall. These ingredients are the mortar that holds it all together. And don't forget your sunscreen. Just make sure it's a mineral-based one that is fragrance-free and designed for sensitive skin. Step 5. See a dermatologist if things don't get better. If the redness, swelling, or bumps last for more than 3 or 4 days, or if you're feeling any pain, it's time to see a professional. Sometimes the skin needs a little extra help, like mild steroid or anti-inflammatory creams that only a doctor can prescribe. Now that you know how to handle a reaction, let's talk about how to prevent it from happening again. Prevention tip number 1. Always patch test. Before slathering a new product all over your face, apply a small amount behind your ear or on your inner arm. Wait for 24 to 48 hours. If there's no redness, itching, or discomfort, it's likely safe to use. Number 2. Read the ingredient list. Try to avoid products that contain high amounts of alcohol, artificial fragrances, synthetic dyes, or a long list of essential oils. Look for labels that say fragrance-free, hypoallergenic, or dermatologist tested. If your skin is sensitive, simpler formulas are almost always safer. Number 3, introduce new products slowly. This is a big one. Try only one new product at a time and give your skin at least a week to adjust before adding anything else. This way, if you do have a reaction, you'll know exactly which product caused it. Number 4, keep your makeup tools clean. Unwashed brushes, sponges, and beauty blenders can be a breeding ground for bacteria, dust, and old product residue, of which can trigger skin issues. Clean them at least once a week with a mild soap or brush cleanser and let them air dry completely. And number 5, protect your skin barrier daily. Even when your skin feels perfectly fine, use a good moisturizer and sunscreen every single day. A healthy, hydrated barrier is your absolute best defense against future irritation and allergies. So, to wrap things up, remember that your skin is unique. What works wonders for your favorite influencer might not work for you, and that is completely okay. The most important thing is to learn to listen to your skin. When it feels red, tight, or uncomfortable, that's its way of speaking to you. Don't ignore those signs. Just take a step back, simplify your routine, and give your skin the time it needs to heal. Once your skin barrier is strong and happy again, it will thank you with that beautiful, natural, healthy morning glow that we all love. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and maybe share it with a friend who loves skincare as much as you do. And remember, here at Morning Blush, we believe that true beauty starts with calm, healthy skin. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.